Hi there! Welcome to the TradeMum Team Trader tutorial. In this video, we'll walk you through how to register for our exciting Team Trader program and navigate its dashboard. Get ready to start earning income through our lucrative profit-sharing model. To begin, go to TradeMum.com and click the Sign Up for Team Trader button. This will open the registration page. Simply fill out your details like name and email address. Don't forget, connecting your Telegram account is optional but recommended to stay updated. Now, it's important to understand the distinction between Team Trader and solo trading. While both offer fantastic opportunities, Team Trader stands out with its profit-sharing model, giving you the chance to earn even more. With Team Trader, you can earn revenue from 3 levels of referrals. You'll receive 5% of trading profits from Level 1 referrals, 3% from Level 2, and 2% from Level 3. On top of that, you can gain 20% of Level 1 referrals license fee, 10% of Level 2, and 5% of Level 3. Level 1 referrals are those directly brought in by you. Level 2 referrals are brought in by your Level 1 referrals, and so on. This tiered system allows for exponential earning potential. To join Team Trader, you'll need to purchase a Team Trader license for $87. Our expert traders will then execute trades on your behalf for the next 3 months. Plus, you'll only pay a success fee once a week, amounting to 30% of the trading profits generated that week. Let's proceed with the registration process. If you possess a referral link, your referral network will be automatically updated by our system. After logging in, the Team Trader dashboard will display various sections to explore. In your wallet, you can browse through all of your transactions such as deposits, withdrawals, and referral earnings. Additionally, you can use this tab to easily deposit money or take out earned funds with just a few clicks. In the tariff section, you can purchase your Team Trader license and explore any available subscriptions. It's your one-stop shop for accessing all the tools you need to succeed. Need some extra guidance? Check out the My Courses section for tutorials and resources to help you navigate the Team Trader program like a pro. The world of Team Trader relies on teamwork. Through this platform, you can keep tabs on your referrals, monitor your referral tree, and determine each member's unique contribution to your achievements. By using copy trading, you can effortlessly emulate the triumphs of skilled traders. Select a tactic, link your exchange account, and watch as your earnings soar. The Strategies section offers various trading techniques that cater to your individual requirements. Analyze past performance statistics and select the most suitable option for you. In my accounts, connect your exchange account to your Team Trader dashboard. It's quick, easy, and ensures seamless trading integration. Keep track of your earnings under My Income. See exactly how much you're making from your referrals and watch your passive income grow. Use the deposit button to add funds to your Team Trader wallet to purchase your license or cover success fees. Withdraw earnings via the Withdraw button processed in USDT TRC20. And finally, don't forget to explore the right-hand menu for additional resources, including your referral link, Telegram channels, and our knowledge base for FAQs. There you have it, your comprehensive guide to TradeMum's Team Trader program. Ready to get started? Register today and embark on your journey to financial freedom.